playing this fucking game and you have your whatever the fuck you use for your left right things, like what if you just use this thing instead? I'm not talking about like using these two buttons. I'm talking about this fucking thing, this big ball looking ass motherfucker. Because look at this shit. Look at this shit. Shit's gonna make you cum. You're gonna shoot cum. You're gonna shoot cum. When you play this game, listen. Okay, so right here, set to fucking left click. Oh look, it actually did a thing. And I set it to right click, like this. You guys won't fucking believe. Check this shit out.
So if I get on my computer and I set up the thing, and I'll set up the thing, right? So you go into the game. Oh wait, no, I haven't fucking started recording yet. Right, so you plug this bad boy in, and you're gonna shoot cum when you. So you get this, and you've set it to left, right on the joysticks, right? So if you play a fucking some sort of, I don't know, fucking like this shit. I don't know. Like you get my deal. Like listen to this bitch. That's pretty cool, right? Anyways, that was that shit. So if you guys want to subscribe to me, don't, because this kind of fucking sucks.